In a land of medics, engineers, and more medics, Charity Week 2019 is where we're headed. Volunteers Assemble was the first event of the year. Mission Unite Our Powers was finally here.
You're the reason my life's worth living, you're the reason I'm alive.
The volunteers took to the streets to raise funds. They were doing so well, even Iron Man was stunned.
Help those in need with cancer care, health, support, and education.
Dance, monkey, dance.
It's a bear, not a monkey.
You're the reason, you are all that I believe.
All right, 3, 2, 1, go.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Collecting everything from coins to notes to humans. Wait, did I read that right?
Yeah, keep going.
What happened?
So there's an old man who came to me. If I took him to traffic lights, it would be £10.
Right.
And then to the tube station, it would be £20.
So how much did we get?
£20.
The smell of unity spread through the air as the brothers took on football and then shaved their hair. The laborious task of shaving Daniel's head killed the clipper, and even the scissors were dead.
Bro, all they raised was 700. What's happening? What the hell are you guys doing?
On the sisters' side, things took a different turn. There were gory scars. Even the medics squirmed. Sports Day had the egg and spoon race. Whilst the brothers delightfully punched each other in the face.
So Daniel, what's happening?
Not much, we just finished CW grafting.
And what's happening now?
Oh, just taking the mats back home.
Really?
Yeah, calm innit?
Yeah, it's pretty good.
Alright, so what are we saying, boys?
Obviously champions last year, a lot of pressure on us to perform. The spotlight was on us, people from Kings coming over, saying that they're going to take the trophy back to Guy's campus, people from Newcastle coming, a lot of pressure, man.
We were under the spotlight, we were the guys to beat. So I guess the question is,
could we handle the pressure?
Even the reigning champions of FIFA were here and took home the trophy for the second time this year.
Cambridgeshire and Mirpur Azad Kashmir, weighing in at over 300 pounds and 12 feet tall.
Alhamdulillah.
The impossible, unescapable, undefeatable Haris and Hassan.
Come on, lads!
Snowdon was a challenge, but we conquered it all. Through the grace of Allah, not one of us had a fall. At At stalls, we ate Krispy Kremes and chicken wings. And brunch brought you a feast that was fit for kings.
What is that? From Brunei. So, Ravi, would you like to try some? No, I'm vegan, guys. I can't try it. Oh,
no. Don't forget Food Festival, an event truly unique, where we had food from around the world, like our projects this charity week. Wait, where was the bubble tea?
This brings us to today, as we're sat here in Devere. So let us take a moment to reflect on why we're here.